Match in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we're off into that autonomous period. We're seeing 9208 and their partners, the Bionic Bison, sharing the center as we see Team 5462, that's 2-Paw Robotics, going up next, trying to get some balls for the Blue Alliance from underneath that Edgewater automation sign at the center of the field. We saw Bionic Bison going in for seconds, and it looks like the Blue Alliance is going to sneak away with the autonomous after the buzzer. All right, we're going to see where we go now that we're in the teleoperated period, and these drivers can do what they can to make a difference. Which one of these alliances is going to be coming out on top? We see the Red Alliance is going first with that lit up hub. How many balls can they get on in there? And we're seeing their alliance partners, that's Eddie's Circuit, making the first move here in teleop for the Red Alliance as their human players do everything they can to top off that hub. Pantronics working as they can, trying to get as many balls before that shift ends, but it looks like we're about to be in that shift change. All right, over to the Blue Alliance. We're seeing 2-Paw Robotics. They're making the first moves here, trying to get as many balls in as possible, while their alliance partners, the Gearheads, they're in position. We'll see if they can get those shots off. Meanwhile, the Bionic Bison are playing defense on all 3 members of the Blue Alliance. We're seeing Green Engineers, that's one of the home teams from Berrien Springs, trying to get all those balls as they can when they can opportunistically score while the Bionic Bison aren't present. But we're into the next shift here, and it's the Red Alliance's turn to shine. We can see we got one busy bee. That's Pantronics working their way across, trying to get more balls. Meanwhile, Eddie's Circuit is working in the Alliance zone, trying to get all of the low-hanging fruit they can into the hub. We're working on 1 minute left in play. We're going to shortly be in the last Alliance-specific shift. That'll be for the Blue Alliance. It seems like the Bionic Bison have run into some difficulties with their drivetrain. They might have come free now, though. All right, these Red Alliance robots, they're getting ready to grab some balls before making a last-ditch effort trying to kick their score over. They're currently down by just about 30. As we move on into the end game in 5 seconds, both of these hubs are going to be available to score into. But the Blue Alliance currently has a lead and a guaranteed ranking point. We're seeing Green Engineers 34-52. They've been lining up shot after shot after shot into their indexer and spindexer, trying to get all of those balls in. Bionic Bison still haven't quite recovered from the technical difficulties, but they're doing everything they can for their alliance. They're preventing some scores by the Blue. We're seeing back in that alliance zone, we're seeing the Eddie Circuit as well as Pantronics in position to score. We'll see if they can get enough bots. Uh-oh, it looks like the Blue Alliance is letting it rain.
Everyone take a look at the board in the sky. Blue Alliance pulls that one out, 173 to 106. 4 ranking points go to Blue, 1 ranking point to the Red. Wah, wah, wah.